The subject of today's video is how to write copy that sells, add copy that sells. Hello, my name is Don Novak, and this is my video diary series of my experiences as an affiliate marketer. I began my affiliate marketing career in December of 2020. I'm a student of John Crestani, Devin Brown, and Anthony Morrison, and I want to pass on to you what works for me and what does not. Writing the ad copy for the product or service you're trying to sell can be very daunting. For most of us, starting out with a blank page is a little scary. So there is a proven plan that you can use to reduce the pressure and the fear so you can write copy that sells. First, begin with your product or service's strongest benefit. In the advertising world, features tell, but benefits sell. Expand on the most important benefit, the what, why, and the how. Explain exactly and in detail what the prospect will get. This is where you can explain some of the features. You can do so by painting a picture, which will give your reader something to visualize and chew on. Back up your statements with proof. This is your chance to flash some facts, stats, testimonials, awards, anything that will give credibility to your claims. Then tell them what they'll lose if they don't act. People are far more driven to avoid pain than they are to acquire pleasure. As a species, we're constantly striving to prevent suffering and avoid discomfort. That's why it's important to incorporate some negativity into your copy. Sum up the most important benefits. You just took your reader to the dark side, so now bring them into the light. So sum up some of the most important benefits. Recap all those terrific benefits that captivated your reader in the first place, reminding them why they should pull the trigger. This is your last opportunity to sum up the value of your product or service and that will bring it to your reader's life. This is your chance to push the reader over the threshold. So make it personal and emotional for your target audience. Then present your call to action. If you don't ask your reader to take a specific action, to watch the video, to give them your email, or to actually buy the product at the end of the copy, if you don't tell him or her what to do next, you might as well have never written anything in the first place. I don't care how compelling your words have been. If there isn't a clear step, a clear next step, your copy is almost certainly going to fail. So keep your call to action simple and direct. Don't force your reader to think. Make it easy to read. Copy that sells doesn't use impressive, flowery words. It does not use words that will make most readers run to the dictionary. Make your words easy and simple. Your reader shouldn't have to stop reading to make sense of what you're saying, even if it's just for a nanosecond. The more your copy flows, the longer you'll keep their attention, and the easier it will be for them to get the critical points you are making. Use keywords in your copy, and this is not just for SEO searches. Although showing up on the first page of Google is a selling point in and of itself, you should also be using keywords everywhere, not just SEO copywriting. Remember, these are the words and phrases your audience is using. when you speak their language and not yours, your copy will clearly convey the value of your offerings in a way that resonates with them. Copy that sells should always answer these two questions. What's in it for me? And how do I know I'll get it? And the key to this in writing is writing with features and benefits in mind. Use bullet points and numbered lists strategically. Wait, before you skip over this one, there's a strategy within the strategy. According to the theory of serial position effect, people tend to recall the first and the last items in a series or a list or a bullet point. They tend to remember the first one and the last one. So when you're using bullet points, make sure you place the most valuable points accordingly, first and last. Remove redundant or empty adverbs and be concise. Use the pro version of Grammarly. Grammarly is like having a Harvard English PhD right there with you, instantly correcting all your grammatical mistakes. Replace adjectives with stronger nouns. Another great copywriting tip, replace adjective-noun pairs with just one more powerful noun. For instance, difficult situation, replace that with dilemma. Tough spot, replace that with bind. Specific group, replace that with niche. Replace adjectives with verbs. Rather than describe your product as an all-in-one, easy-to-use, powerful, etc., to promote your product or service, use verbs to communicate exactly what they can do with your product. Verbs such as collect, grow, drive, assist, get in touch, make, sell, increase, guide, send, invite. Also, plain statements that get right to the point are more credible than adjectives that try to convince. I hope this copywriting guidance helps you sell your product or service, and you can learn even more with the Partner with Anthony marketing course. I am enrolled in the Partner with Anthony training system, and my coach is Anthony Morrison, who is a giant in the online marketing business. And he has the dollar numbers and the ClickFunnels $2 million awards to prove it. Plus, Anthony has hundreds of cutting-edge YouTube videos and tens of thousands of YouTube subscribers. Anthony Morrison's complete affiliate marketing video training 30-step course with over 100 videos that is the best and most up-to-date on the market. No internet stone is left unturned. To get this world-class online training from Anthony Morrison, click on the link below. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you again next week with more of my marketing video diary. Your comments are most appreciated. Give me a thumbs up if you like my video, and please click on the subscribe button. This is Don Novak, and I'll see you again next week with a new video to your continued success.